What's going on? So I just wanted to share real quick. I'm blown away with the capabilities of Buffaly. Here's the screen, the initial screen of where I work inside of Buffaly, and I had this problem over the course of the past couple of days where I was just wrestling with video design, editing, and captions, and I was using different types of software to make that happen, and AI voice generation, right? Trying to just spending hours just needlessly toiling away at these videos. And it clicked for me. I was like, well, we're already using Buffaly internally. Let's go ahead and see if Buffaly can't just design a complete video editing concept inside of itself. And sure enough, man, it did. So I started with like a new session, and then step by step, I started describing to Buffaly exactly what I needed it to do, just like I was describing the other video editing software that I normally work with. So under the concept section, you can actually see that I've got my brand new video editor here. Now this is in my version of Buffaly, locally to my computer. And so when I open it up, it's got my video editing software. I mean, I'm not a coder. I'm not someone who does software design, but Buffaly learned from me how a software for video editing should look and behave. And lo and behold, we came up with something that was really, really robust, including like voiceovers and captions. It also caught a mistake and then edited it out. So here's the latest video.
Hi, what is going on? My name is Justin Brochetti.
I mean, I can't tell you how many people get my name wrong, Brochetti, but it burned the captions in. My name is perfect. So, it's been phenomenal to work with, but one of the big reasons why Buffaly is so durable and so fun to work with is you don't need the experience that a normal person would, who does a lot of coding and a lot of software engineering. Yes, I work with AI every day, but I don't know a line of code. And that doesn't matter with Buffaly. You don't have to have that. There's no barrier to entry. So internally, Buffaly is going to keep learning. I'll probably add new concepts, but I just wanted to share that with you and show you how remarkable that is.